What's up, guys? We're about to go out and drift the 350Z real quick. See how she does for Dylan. What's up, homie?
What's up, bro? Fucking nerves are wrecked right now.
We got Dustin behind us in the 350Z. We got Berkey in the GS 430. And there's somebody else back there, I think.
That's a Tony.
Tony, yeah. Got a nice little convoy going. We at the spot, Mexico. It's a nice location to do some skids. It's kind of dead out here. You guys will see here in a minute. Sorry, it's been a couple days since the last video I put out. We've really been just taking a rest since the drift event and whatnot, but we're gonna get back on our grind and start giving you guys good content again. And this is gonna show it right here. Ooh, that bump. You wanna start here or what? I'd say like 3 to 5 minutes.
You hop in passenger seat.
Let's get it. Security?
I don't know. Somebody parking.
Yeah, hold on. There's a car over there.
Yeah, I'm waiting to see what it is.
Alright.
I thought you were gonna do it by the entrance that we pulled in.
Yeah, I was trying to.
But I was like,
He was like, no, come back here.
cause there's houses over there and it's like, I don't know. Right over there real quick, Berkey. Check it out. Cool.
Berkey.
Nice, Berkey kicked him out. Hell yeah, they're like sketched out. They're like, what the hell? Who are these guys? What are they doing? I think we're good. Hit it up, hit it up. Go! Good? Hurry up, swap that shit. You're good. He's all hype. Look at it, he's all hype.
Doing a little spinner.
Go. Let's get out of here. Let's go. Yeah. That's the shit you guys want to see. That's what you want to see. We out. We all split up. Go. Woo! Hit it and quit it, boys. Hit it and quit it. They didn't even know we were in Mexico. Like, they didn't even know. They didn't have a clue or nothing. We got Berkey in the front. Berkey Films. Shout out that boy. Back in convoy. They had no clue. Place. think we got an idea. Nobody even seen we were there. We might be going back.
Hit it again a couple more times.
Hit it again a couple more times and then be done for the night, call it quits. Now we go chill for a minute. We'll be back with you guys. How was that experience?
Pretty damn good, brother. Pretty damn good.
It was awesome. The thing like whips perfectly. Woo! Sorry guys, it's dark out here. 2 hours later. And we go back out. I'm in the car with Dustin.
Hey.
We in the 350Z. Let's get some fun. It's dark as snizzle.
Snizzle.
Oh, welded diff life. That's right. Hydro slide. Hey, we got that hydro. Back to Mexico we go. Let's get that drift footage for you guys. I know you guys like that. Let's go, Munchkin. That in-car footage.
How long can we stay here for? Like
2-3 minutes.
at least 3 minutes.
3 minutes. Clock it. Yeah. Set your timer. Yeah. Set a timer right now.
Got it.
Wave us down when we're done. Switch. Switching. All right, he's giving the car to Dustin. Let's get some outside footage. Whip it.
Whip real quickly.
Yeah. All right, we're out of here. Go. This is that country drifting. We ain't got too many spots like I've said on another video. Alright guys, we're at the last spot. It's kind of dead out here. We don't have any lights. He's just gonna do a quick burnout or a quick donut. I'm not sure what he's gonna do, but we'll find out here in a second.
I like tried to run up and hop back in, and I was like, oh wait, what the fuck? Everybody's pulling
I
off.
seen you running along the cars. I was like, hold up, stop.
I was like, yo, everybody pulling off on me on the side of the road here. What the fuck going on?
Alright guys, here goes Dustin. We're about to do the last bit of skids. This is where we're gonna end the video, so get ready. Alright guys, so the last little bit of footage wasn't the greatest because it was dark and we were in another spot where you couldn't really see because there was no lights. But we're back at the headquarters and that's the end of the video. Make sure you guys go like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell for more videos and we'll be doing more like this.